Hello, hi. So we continue to survey the algal biology. Today we are going to start with Chlamydomonas. In this lecture, we'll see the general account and thallus structure of Chlamydomonas algae. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular motile green algae. You can see the flagellum present on the anterior side of the thallus. The thallus is represented by a single cell and its shape can be oval, oblong, spherical, ellipsoidal, etc. It is having maximum 30 micrometer in length. If we take the length of its thallus, it's maximum 30 micrometer length. Okay, and the shape of the thalli is called pyriform thalli. Pyriform thalli means it is somewhat narrower towards the anterior side and broad towards the posterior side. Okay, so this is about Chlamydomonas. Now, systematic position of Chlamydomonas. Kingdom Plantae. Division Chlorophyta, obviously it's a green alga. Then class Chlorophyceae. Okay, Chlorophyceae, fine. Order, either it is called Volvocalis order or Chlamydomonadelis order. Both are called. Okay, either Volvocalis or Chlamydomonadelis. Okay, then family Chlamydomonadeaceae. Remember, family Chlamydomonadeaceae. Then genus Chlamydomonas. Then under this there are many species. Okay, Chlamydomonas reinhardtii, Chlamydomonas halophila, Chlamydomonas yellowstonensis. Okay, there are different species with different characteristics. We will see the important species as well. So moving on, this is the thallus structure of a Chlamydomonas. You can see the pear-shaped structure or the pyriform thallus. Okay, which is a little bit narrower towards the anterior side and broader towards the posterior side. You can see many features associated with this thallus. Okay, we have seen the wall-box thallus, somewhat similar to this. The individual cell of wall-box we have seen somewhat similarity with this. Thallus can be divided into many parts. You can see that there is a cell wall, there is a cytoplasm, there are flagellas. Okay, there is a cup-shaped chloroplast, there is an eye spot or stigma, there is a nucleus. There within the chloroplast there are starch storing bodies or pyrenoid bodies which are covered by starch plates, etc. So if you take the case of cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, which is a smooth and thin layer. Okay, it's a smooth and thin layer. It is made up of cellulose. In some species, like there is an outer pectose covering, which will be later dissolved to form a gelatinous mass outside the cell wall. That is also there, but that is not very important. It was actually a pectose layer which got disintegrated to form a gelatinous mass or matrix outside the cell wall. The cell wall is made up of callose. Okay, it is multi-layered actually, made up of callose fibrils, that you have to remember. Then within the callose, within the cell wall, you can see a plasma membrane that is also there. Then coming to cytoplasm, it is present between the cell wall and the chloroplast. Okay, then it includes nucleus, it includes a centrosome. Okay, there are many other bodies like Golgi bodies, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, everything associated with a normal cell will be found in Chlamydomonas cell as well. Then we can see two contractile vacuoles which are responsible for the osmoregulation. That means through osmosis they will be regulating the water content of the cell. Okay, and it's also dealing with some excretory purposes. Then we have a flagella. These are smooth whiplash flagellum. These are present at the anterior side. Okay, they are associated with neuromotor apparatus. Okay, this is the neuromotor apparatus. They are associated with the neuromotor apparatus of the cell. What is the neuromotor apparatus? Neuromotor apparatus means it controls movement of the thallus in response to light, chemical signaling or other kind of stimuli. Okay, the entire thing, flagella, the centrosome, this rhizoplast which connect the centrosome and flagella, all are parts of the neuromotor apparatus. So it will be guiding the movement of this particular thallus based on the chemical stimuli or light stimuli or any other stimuli. So then these are originating from, this flagella is originating from the basal granules. Now coming to the chloroplast, it is generally large and cup-shaped and present in the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. In different species of Chlamydomonas, we can see different shaped chloroplast. It's not always spherical, cup shape. There can be spherical or elongated as well. Okay. Then there is an eye spot or stigma. They are present on this anterior side of the thallus. Okay. This is actually a tiny spot which is having orange or reddish color. Okay, orange or reddish color because it is having carotenoid pigments, carotene pigments. That's why it's orange or reddish in color. Yeah, it is a photoreceptive organ concerned with the direction of movement of the flagella. Okay, it will receive the light and it can move in the direction of the light by communicating it with the flagella. Okay, then that's about eye spot or stigma. Then coming to the nutrition. Okay, most of the species of Chlamydomonas are phototrophic. They are green algae and they are phototrophic. They prepare their own food through photosynthesis in the presence of light, availability of carbon dioxide, etc. And they store their food in chloroplast. Okay, the excess food will be stored in chloroplast. The remaining food will be used for the day-to-day metabolic activities. So that's about nutrition. Then if you are coming to the reproduction, Chlamydomonas reproduce both sexually and asexually. Asexual reproduction occurs by zoospores, aplanospores, hypnospores, or a Pamela state associated with the hypnospores. Okay, we'll see what are each of these kind of spores and things, or asexual modes of asexual reproduction. Then coming to sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction happens through isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. These are based on the size of the thallus of the particular size of thallus of that particular gametes. Okay, because sometimes the gametes may be similar, sometimes they may be having different size. Some may possess flagella, some may not possess flagella, things like that. So it's all about the thallus structure of Chlamydomonas, and after this slide I have given proper notes for everything that I have discussed till now. So this is about thallus structure, general account of Chlamydomonas. In the upcoming sessions we will see the asexual and sexual reproduction respectively. Till then you can pause the video and take down the notes if you want, and we will see in the upcoming section.